Hi everyone, this is Sofi and welcome to my channel PinkSugarCotton. Today I will be showing you the newest Moose toys, which are called WRAPPLES. At first glance, you can tell these are interactive toys and the batteries are already included, beside of their obvious cuteness. According to the packaging, the name of this little guy is Skill and the fur is really soft. The body is a wristband that you can attach to your arm and take it wherever you go. You can find the batteries compartment in the back as well as the on and off switch. The eyes will light on, which indicates it's on and ready to play. If you pet the fur on its head, it will start purring. You will also notice the eyes change their color. Green means they're happy, yellow means they're calm, orange means they're anxious, and red means they're either grumpy or lonely. They also have a button behind their ear. If you press it 3 times, they will start laughing. This other WRAPPLE is a super cute unicorn named Una. She has white and rainbow fur and it's definitely my favorite. Here's a close-up of Una, so you can see how pretty her fur is, and you can tell she also has a different voice and make different sounds. If you place them together, they will interact with each other. Also, if you hold them upside down, they will eventually go to sleep, turning their eyes off. If you shake them, they will get dizzy, but if you shake them too much, they will get grumpy. That's all for this review. Hope you guys like these WRAPPLES, and if you want to know more about them, I will leave you all the information in the description box of the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!